Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark IV, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have to access to the hidden directory on your device. By default, only standard phone applications have access to this directory. And laws of some countries prohibit recording calls in these countries. Phone application can record calls if in your region this feature is available. In my country, no, so here I have no feature to record calls, and I can't record using standard application, but I can use third-party apps. So I suggest you use ACR Cube, automatically call recorder cube. So just install this app, click open, next, grant while using allow, enable app connector. Now find here your cube ACR, click enable, allow, go it, background yes, allow, location maybe no, and click on the cross in the left top corner, phone. Great! Now all your calls will be automatically recorded and opening, and you can open Cube ACR application to find all your calls. But you need to understand that if you have no access to the root folder of your system, you can't record both input sources in the same time. So Cube ACR will be recorded sounds only from your microphone. Okay, so if you want to your microphone pick up your voice and voice of your conversation partner, you need to enable speaker mode to speak with your conversation partner in loud mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.